This is the 8.5 kilo washing vending machine that we are using. Okay, let's try it. So we plug the power cord to the outlet. Okay, and then we see the power is already on, ready for operation. So first, let's put the clothes on. Open the tab first. Okay, the clothes to be washed there, and then the detergent. Okay, there. And then add water. Or water could be introduced also through by the hose, through the hole here. And then you insert the coin. Let's try 5 pesos coin. 5 pesos coin. Okay, insert it. With that, the time is set to 2 minutes. And the time could be set to other time. And then turn on the knob for the washing. 3 minutes. Okay. You see, when the machine is already washing. Now the time is could be adjusted depending on your preference. It could be set to 5 minutes for 5 pesos, or other that you see necessary. Okay, the 1 minute buzzer is beeping, meaning you have to insert a coin. But let's observe if the washing will be cut off when the time is finished, when the coin that you've inserted is not enough. So we still have 30 seconds, but the time on the washing dial is probably 2 minutes more. So the time on the dial on the machine is 2 minutes more. It should run if this is not a bendo. Okay, so let's observe. 5 seconds, 4, 3. It's running, but when the time gets 0, the washing stops. So you need to insert coin to continue. So insert another coin. Okay, you see, washing continued upon insertion of other coin. And then you could add other coins so that you can already go to your other job, and then while the machine is washing. So insert another 5 peso coin. You see, the time will be added. Okay, so from more than 1 minute, it's already 3 minutes. So you just add the 5 peso coin for the desired washing time that you want. Okay, so the timer is 0, so you need to put it on the proper time necessary. Okay, there. So this is a short video for the 8.5 kilo washing vending machine manual operation.